Okay, so I'm creating the UNIGRAVITY machine system. I'm going to be using a full body biometric orthosis UNIGRAVITY machine system. I'm starting out with the foot part of the segment. I have it turned over for a reason. So upside down. This is upside down. Really, winding coils is localized at the bottom. However, right here I have the coolant for the HFC and the MCE coolant. For those who don't know, that's magnetic refrigeration, magnetocaloric effect, and for the hydro fusion, caloric. And I'm going to be using that as a cooler to cool the electromagnetic coils. The coils and electromagnetic suspension coils. The coils are localized alongside. Here is the stainless steel or bracket. And this is increase the magnetic field in the magnetic field here. And these are also stainless steel, which will also increase the magnetic field within a hole. Now, I have both of those, all those on site for magnetic suspension and linear motoring, switching between both a set of coils. The set of coils turns are more than 100 turns. I have a stack of coils that are in here in series, from circular, 4-point circular, circumferencing, connected to a circular. And I have also rectangle series alongside for linear motoring. And this stainless steel is opposing the opposition, which is the aluminum block. The aluminum block, when it receives a current, this will be modulated with a rectifier. Rectifiers will be localized here. Now, the two rectifiers to switch between two different sets of coils in each property. So it's enumerating 8 sets of coils. So 4 sets of coils are for magnetic suspension, which is switching between off and on the 4 sets of coils. So it's more is actually for a 12 sets of coils. So the first 4 sets of coils, one for magnetic suspension for pull, and the other for push, and the other for pull, and the other for push. Now, the other coils that are localized beneath are coils that are wound in the section area, in a circular in a section area, followed behind a circular within the center that covers half of the 4 circulars. And that is used for gyroscopic precision. For the electrical energy, electrodynamics to cause the repulsive force against the aluminum block, which is known as the common, while the opposite attracts, which is the stainless steel. So that will cause the repulsive force to move the footpad upward towards the weight from the weight of gravity. The coils will force the aluminum to escape from the magnetic field. And when it is the electrical energy and the electrostatic will cause a repulsive force to move away to escape from the aluminum. However, while it escapes, it moves the aluminum away from the Earth gravitational from the Earth gravity, and minus the inertial mass and the gravitational mass, reducing the inertial mass and gravitational mass by the exertion of ions against its weight, causing the repulsive force to levitate. So the ions doesn't necessarily have to hit the Earth, gravity to strike against the Earth as of the move up in the air. In exchange of that, the coils strike against the common aluminum block, causing the aluminum block to move away from the coil. However, the coils are localized coupled to the aluminum block, so the electrical energy is greater than the inertial weight of the aluminum at gravity. And since there is freedom of the coils at the bottom, it causes the coils to move up in the air, being carried by the aluminum block. And that's how UNIGRAVITY works. My name is Jermaine Morton. Have a nice day. Goodbye.